This video tutorial demonstrates how to control a DC motor using Arduino and Johnny 5 JavaScript library. Shown is the Johnny 5 based JavaScript code in Visual Studio Code IDE. The code starts by initializing a new Arduino board object and specifying the port number as COM37. Next, we define a ready event handler function that is triggered when the board is ready for communication. Inside the ready event handler, we set pin 9 as an PWM output pin, which will control the speed of the motor. We also set pin analog pin 1 as an input pin to read the values from a potentiometer. The analogread function is used to read the values from the potentiometer. This function returns the analog value, according to the position of the potentiometer knob. Then an analogwrite function is used to write the analog value to pin 9 as PWM. The PWM value sent is the duty cycle of the signal, which in turn controls the power supplied to the motor, hence its speed. Now run the code, then rotate the potentiometer, to increase or decrease the speed of the DC motor. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and, if you did, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.